What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Today what I want to talk to you about is how I get most of my clothing for free. This whole outfit that I'm wearing right now, these high-waist shorts, this crop top, and this flannel was all free. Everything except for my bra and underwear and for my jewelry that I'm wearing right now was all free. So I'm not doing anything shady to get free clothing, and I'm not doing sponsored posts for companies. Basically, it's as simple as getting together with my friends and doing clothing swaps. Clothing swaps are a really awesome idea because you can avoid having to buy clothing like ever. I basically never buy new clothing anymore, and I really like it. I love that pieces that I have that I don't necessarily want to give away to the thrift store, but I'm not wearing anymore, can end up in my friend's closet and then sometimes even make its way back around, and I can get that piece back sometimes if I want to. It's really fun. Basically what we do is we just have a potluck. Sometimes we'll have a ladies' night, but basically it's just a gathering where you get together, have fun, maybe do a few other things, and then everyone just brings whatever clothing they want to get rid of. Typically we'll bring stuff that is still in pretty good condition. If something's pretty beat up, then it'll either go to the thrift store or repurpose to become something different. But we like to bring our gently used items and share it with our friends. As I said, everything that I'm wearing right now was free, and I want to show you some of the other things that I've gotten for free too. I have a whole pile here of a bunch of really awesome stuff. I think this shirt was from my friend Alexa. This one was from Charlotte. This one was from Sophie. I don't know who this was from. So we've got dresses and shirts, tank tops. I've definitely worn this shirt in a video before and got some compliments on it, and I think that's one of the reasons too why I wanted to share this with you guys. Is a lot of times I'll get people commenting down below and they'll say, oh, I really love that shirt, where did you get it? And I can't even really say where I got it. I can tell you the person I got it from, but I have no idea where it originally came from. But I just get a lot of really cool items, and I'm not somebody who needs everything to be brand new and perfect. I kind of like a little bit of that worn in feel with clothing. You can see there's like a lot of variety, and even if your friends aren't exactly your size or you don't have the exact same style, it doesn't really matter because people do different things with different pieces and you can make it your own style. This is one of my faves. I wear this one a lot, not necessarily in videos, and the brand is called John Galt. John Galt is from Atlas Shrugged, for any of you who know. Yeah, but some really cool stuff. This is an awesome piece. I haven't actually worn this. I just got this recently, but I'm excited. It's got a little bit of like Asian flair. Yeah, so you can see there's a lot of cool stuff here. I've gotten these really cute sort of like booty shorts that I wear to the beach sometimes. Regular jean shorts. These high-waist shorts that I'm wearing. Cute little simple black skirt. I've gotten some really nice pairs of jeans, and yeah, so this is a lot of clothing. And sometimes I look in my closet, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have way too much stuff just from going to all these clothing swaps. But it's honestly really fun. It's a really cool way to recycle clothing, to save money, just be more eco-friendly, and to get together and socialize with friends. If you're curious how to actually do a clothing swap, there's a lot of different ways to do it. Some people do it where however many items you bring, that's how many items you can pick first, and then you wait until the end when there's a lot of leftover stuff, and then you go back and pick whatever. Sometimes what we do is basically we'll all, after we've had a potluck, had a meal together and hung out, towards the end of the night, we'll all just take our bags of clothing that we brought and we'll just dump them in a pile, and we all get into a circle. And then we basically just start picking up the items, and if we don't want it, then we pass it to the right. And we just pick up, pass to the right, pick up, pass to the right. So there's not really ever a situation where two people see the same item and they're like, give me that, that's mine. It's usually pretty mellow, and usually we're picking up stuff and being like, oh, I think this would be good for you, and kind of passing them around and sharing. And we didn't invent clothing swaps. They've already been happening for a very long time, and I've just kind of jumped into some different women's circles and different potlucks and things like that where they do clothing swaps. Sometimes we'll bring our partner's clothing if they want to get rid of stuff, and we'll also share that within the group too. You can bring jewelry, you can bring, any items from your house to share in a swap circle. There's a lot of different ways that we can recycle goods, not just clothing. If you guys are interested in buying new clothing, if you're not all about clothing swaps, I want to share some cool eco-friendly brands with you that do a really good job of sourcing good fabrics, paying their workers a good wage, and just overall have a really eco-friendly vibe to their company. A really great alternative to Lululemon is a brand called Girlfriend Collective. Dharma Bums is also another good brand for good workout clothing. Outdoor Voices is another really great brand. One of my favorites is a company called Pact Alternative Apparel. I've definitely worn a lot of their stuff as well. There's a company called Thought, which has a lot of really cool, fashionable stuff. Everlane, People Tree. There's a lot of other really cool eco brands. If you guys have a favorite one that the company is really awesome, then you can comment down below and share what that brand is. If you have any questions about how to host a clothing swap and different ways to do it, I would love to answer those questions, so post them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. Be sure to share it with any of your friends who you think would be interested in doing a clothing swap with you. And I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye.